Julie didn't want to go to the movie with John, so she told him she wasn't well. She feigned illness. Does feigned mean pretended, fainted, didn't have the ability to speak, or spoke? This sentence uses clues of information. The sentence tells us two facts. One, that Julie didn't want to go to the movie with John, and two, she told him she wasn't well. From here we can understand that Julie was feeling fine. She just told John she wasn't to get out of seeing a movie with him. From here we can understand that feigned must mean pretended or faked. Let's take a look at our choices and see which one best matches our definition. Pretended matches perfectly, but let's go on just to be sure. Fainted does not match our definition and can be marked off. Didn't have the ability to speak and can be marked off as well, especially because she is telling John that she doesn't feel well, so of course she would have to speak. And spoke, again, does not match our definition and can be crossed off. We are left with A, pretended, as our final answer.